e-bike is basically turning you into a professional cyclist. So that's pretty cool. But my hunting bike only does about 300 watts. Are you aware that an e-bike's battery can last up to 10,000 hours? Well, my new hunting bike's battery lasts 82,000 hours. Were you aware that it takes about 3.5 to 5 hours to recharge an e-bike's battery? My bike's battery takes about 5 minutes to charge. Most e-bikes can go 28 to 40 miles between charges. Now my bike maybe goes 10 to 20 miles. E-bikes have a lot of components like motors, chain, derailleurs, batteries, maybe even tubeless rims and tires. My bike has some